Alimu ma Junior Secondary isioni sia Yatta na Masinga matongoeewue ni munini wa mweene kivila wa Kuppet uvonge wa Masaku Yvonne Musyoka nimamyenda selikali kwisila nzama ya kumaandika Alimu TSC kumaandika myanyani ya Kutua maiweta mateisa kweuvya mavalua kandalasi na vala maumya ukayo kumanwa na ndivi iteesya kwendeesya. Alimu hao wengi nimenda mathamiiw'e maskuluni ma secondary maiweta maskulu ma musingi tamatena mawalanio na mawithilo kwa masio ma kisomo cha CBC na alimu anene maskuluni tamatena utonyi wa kuendesya kisomo cha Junior Secondary. Ben Musau na mauvoa.
No confirmation, no
renewal. Alimu aya mainena na andiki mama uvone maumya kiyocho kula kwiselikali kwisila nzama ya kumaandika Alimu TSC ni kana kumaandika myanyani ya Kutua maiweta tamethitwe makiivwa ndiviteesya kwendeesya na maisa kweuvya mavalua kandalasi ila siothela mwaini uyu wa December.
We demand that TSC should confirm interns as permanent and pension teachers with immediate effect. Yes. We reject extension of internship for interns. After 6 months of consecutive employment, employees are required to be confirmed as per the Employment Act. Yes. Payment of 17,000 salary to graduate teachers is tantamount to slavery, which is outlawed by the Constitution.
We stand here very agitated towards the TSC to come out very clear and expedite on the quagmire surrounding the intern teachers in Kenya today. Number one, the contract in the employment letters says that it is a 1-year contract. We want to ask the TSC to come out and clearly tell us when will they confirm us, because the contract is ending this December and we need the 20,000 or the 40,000 teachers on internship confirmed with immediate effect.
Alimu aya maiweta maskulu ma musingi ovamwe na alimu anene maskulu ni aya tamatena utonyi wa kuendesya kisomo cha CBC na vala menda mathamiiw'e maskulu ni ma secondary kuma na mawithilo kwa mathukumia ovamwe na kwa miyo ya vata maskulu ni aya.
Because power. Great power. We may be victimized, we may be killed, but the truth can't be killed. Headmasters cannot manage graduates. Headmasters cannot manage JSS.
Sure.
We have learned that your first training is the real you. Whether you go up to PhD or you take masters, there is a behavior from your first training that you cannot unlearn. We have tried our best, level best, to resonate with head teachers, to resonate with B1 teachers, but it is becoming unsuccessful. We therefore call the president, the TSC, to come and relocate us to senior secondary school.
We don't have resources. How do you expect us to teach practicals, something like home science, something like integrated science? How do you expect it to be taught without a laboratory, without a working home science room? The CBC is long dead. There is no CBC. I think if you want to go on with CBC, we should need to put on up resources, and these resources cannot be put up in primary schools because it will cost more, and yet now you don't even have money to pay the JSS teachers. That is why you are employing them on internship contract of 17,000. How are you going to put up the facilities? The JSS should be domiciled in secondary schools because
there's not enough manpower in the junior secondary schools when we are in primary school. For example, you find that someone is trained to teach English and literature, and you find yourself in a class you are supposed to teach integrated science, math,
civilization.
You don't have the know-how. How are you going to handle that one? This means these children we are going to produce a generation which will be dead, and we are killing the next generation, which is not right, and we will be punished for that one.
Wengi alimu aya ni matula mote ambunge kwa kila mewete tamethitwe mainenga na mavalua kumaandika Alimu kwanzia si na ulusani maimenda kuelesya uthei wa iseso yi.
Only 9,000 has been employed, mostly through illegal recruitment by the MPs, handling over recruitment letters in funerals, demeaning the teaching profession. We wonder loudly why the
Anti-Corruption Commission has not arrested politicians who have been captured in tapes dishing out employment letters.
Yes.
And for that matter, unions and civil society should take TSC and politicians to court over corrupt recruitment of their relatives on permanent and pensionable terms without competitive process to give all unemployed teachers the opportunity to apply.
You want to know, why are the MPs dishing out and where are they getting these PNP letters to employ fresh graduates on public while we are here as JS interns since 2023 February? TSC lost or given away its independence. Mogul's power, Kuppet power. Number 3, we also demand to know, TSC, where is the 20 billion Kenya shillings?
Vilingi wa Mauvo Mutongoeewue TV, nyenita wa Ben Mwasau.